Huh?
No.
Tell me all about it.
I don't know.
What all you been doing with this puppy?
Feeding her and walking her and
Yes. You gonna share the puppy with someone else, ain't you?
No.
What?
Only they can.
Jordan, you see the puppy? What's the Pet the puppy nice. Beauty. Put it down, gentle. Very good. Are you happy? That dog almost big as you, baby. Good job, baby Jay. Put the puppy on the head now. Say, good puppy. No, you ain't gotta pick it up. Tell the puppy, good dog. Put the puppy on the head, baby Jay. Huh?
She go to sleep like that.
The one she had a lot of money ago.
No, you ain't gotta pick it up, baby. You ain't gotta pick it up.
Look, I'm
chilling.
She chilling. Hold the puppy, she cold. Hey, it don't take long for him to get adapted to the leash. You know, when we say exotic, it's not your average dog, you feel me? See, y'all, look at that attentiveness. First day. You see this, y'all? What you called a stable, sound temperament. Right? You know that you don't get that by chance. You talk about don't happen by chance. You see our puppy calm, stable, cool. Because we have been invested in the puppy. We've been investing in these puppies since they was born. Baby J, you got them? Walk with this way, baby J. Walk this way so you can follow me. Come this way. It don't take long. So the first step in training a dog is to get the dog what? Get him to learn to set food up. Yeah.
So it's like
No, it's mission and action. What we're trying to do is get the puppy to understand all good things come from us. His first day on the leash. He's going extremely good on his own. See, so part of what we do, puppy first day on the leash, y'all. He made it. This is a male, 9 weeks old. Biggest he gets, but biggest, he was not the biggest. He was never the biggest. The size don't mean everything. People go for the biggest dog. I knew that he was going to be special, though. I was looking at his features. Well, when you train them and you raise them and they spend a lot of time around children, how could they not be? Every day since this puppy was born, Stay 5. Sit. Take it. I got get a hot dog for him.
they don't have one.
Yes. 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 Yeah, you don't do it, they never come and get that dog, nigga. This another thing, because we want them to see. Our puppies don't sit in the cage. They don't sit on their shelf. They don't sit where they stay. They don't sit where they lay.
Hey, the puppy's taking me for a walk.
Or you walking that puppy or the puppy taking you for a walk?
I take you home. football.
And they temperament though. Look at the temperament though.
I can make you look like.
Boerboel Puppy did what?
Yeah, I gotta record it. I gotta send him a video. Yep. You got to do video?
How long it normally take for you to get a dog down like that?
You got the news, son.
I tried to get him that dog. He said he want a black one. Take her. Take her. You scared of him? Your name, we gonna have to change your name. You can't be Baby J no more. You scared of dog.